Hi, I wanted to give you an update on week 3. I made changes to the discussion board reflection. You're going to be looking at the case in point in chapter 4 on page, I believe it's 112. The case study has to do with a male and a female and a conversation. So what your job is to read the case study and then read the chapter in its entirety, and then you'll do role playing. So the women will pretend that they're in Carlos's shoes, and the men will pretend that they're in Liz's shoes. And then I've put prompts in the discussion board of questions you can think about to address this case study. And I taught this class hybrid last semester, and this was everyone's favorite discussion, although it was in person, so a little bit different. I think that you'll have an interesting discussion board conversation, especially when you're putting yourself in the other person's shoes and saying what they should have or shouldn't have said. So hopefully you enjoyed as much as last class did. In addition, I wanted to talk about the field observation project, which will be due at the end of the semester, and you'll see there's some assignments that you're going to have to give me your notes. So basically the point of the field observation is to examine interpersonal communication. And based on everything that you're learning throughout this semester, you're going to incorporate the terminology and theory into the real world setting. So you're going to apply everything you've learned and put it into your report. So I've uploaded 2 examples of the PowerPoint of students from last semester. I've eliminated their names. And I've also put a report. Now, none of these are perfect, so please don't follow it word by word or even the exact format. The purpose is to examine at least 2 different interpersonal communication settings, so amongst 2 people. And you might seem like you're kind of creeping on people, but again, this is another assignment that all the students really did enjoy and they learned a lot from. So I will upload a Word document with some pointers and some things to address when you're taking these field notes. This could be anywhere from if you're in Wanda's Cafe, could be if you're at a bookstore, maybe you're sitting at Starbucks, maybe it's in your own home and you're analyzing the communication between your children. It could be between your parents. It could be if you're maybe out to lunch, so you're at a restaurant. It could be at a dog park. Really anywhere that you have time to observe a conversation and to take notes and to really analyze it and to apply the principles from the textbook. So again, I'll upload a Word document with some more prompts to get you thinking about this field study that you'll be doing for your critical assignment project. And if you have any questions, there's PowerPoints that are up for the chapters. They're very in-depth and detailed. Let me know if you have any content questions. And I look forward to reading your responses with the Carlos and Liz case study.